Hey guys, welcome back to another Tekdep repair video. In today's episode, we're going to be working on a Lenovo 9i. This one came in because it has a cracked LCD right down here. The touchscreen also is no longer working because of the crack, so we have a new LCD here, and we're going to go ahead and replace it in this video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so flipping the unit over, we're going to use a T5 and take out all of the bottom case screws. And now we're going to go ahead and grab a suction cup and take the bottom case off. I'm going to flip the unit around. And the first thing we're going to do is unplug this battery here. We're going to do that by pushing outwards on it. There we are. Make sure it's fully out so it doesn't reconnect while you are working on the unit. And since this is an LCD replacement, we're going to be looking at the top of the unit here. Interesting that a speaker somehow is all the way back here. Not sure how that happened. But we're going to go ahead and remove the LCD screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. You can unplug the LCD. As well as the webcam up here. And we should be good to go. Yeah, the Wi-Fi antennas run down below, so you don't need to touch those in this unit. You should be able to just open it up. Oops, one screw right here that I forgot. Here we are. Right now we can open it up and take it off. Alright, so there it is. Minus this connection that actually runs under the cooler here, which we're gonna have to take the cooler off. Alright, now we can take that heatsink out, or at least tilt it. I'm going to screw it back into place in the meantime, just so I don't get thermal paste anywhere and it doesn't flop around. I'm not going to screw this in all the way because I have to come back in order to reroute that webcam anyways. So I'm not going to worry about the order I'm screwing these in or how tight they're on there. So now we can go ahead and remove that top case instead of the side. We've got our LCD assembly here to work on. Alright, so we're going to start by popping this little corner up, peeling it away. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is remove the T8, it looks like, T8 screws. Yep, T8 that hold the LCD to the assembly, except for the center, that's going to be a Phillips head. Alright, so that's our old LCD all set aside. Now we can go ahead and install our new one. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox our brand new LCD over here. And if you guys are looking for any parts or tools you see in the video, check out the links below. If you're interested in a mail-in repair or a data recovery service, check us out at tekdep.com. We do it all every day. There's our brand new LCD, which actually has this board included. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off and use the existing one. And now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the webcam assembly. I'm going to make sure that these gates are open, which they are. And I'm going to tilt this board up and install the touchscreen flex cables. These are very delicate. Make sure you are extremely cautious when you are working with these here. And now we're going to go ahead and secure it back down, starting with the Phillips head in the center. and the 2 T8 screws on either side. Let me just fix this cable and everything is good. There we are. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take our trim piece down here and line it up. It's easier to snap the top in first and then the bottom. Actually, both are kind of equally difficult. There we are. Once you get started, they will all line up. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our top case, line it up with the hinges, and close the hinges slowly. It's important to note that all the cables should end up on the inside of the laptop. If they're on the outside, they're gonna get pinched, snap, break, fray, anything like that. They will not work correctly. So now we're gonna go ahead, take off the cooler and route our touchscreen cable. And now we can go ahead and reinstall the CPU cooler. So if you notice, there are numbers to these screws. So the first one was 1, the second one is 2, and this third one is 3. You do tighten them down in that order. All right, that's our cooler reinstalled. We're gonna go ahead and plug in our LCD at this point. And now we're gonna go ahead and start screwing the hinges back into the unit. All right, that's our hinges fully secured. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the bottom case and lay it back on. It's gonna snap on, so you're gonna hear a bunch of clicks. And now you're gonna go ahead and place the screws back in. The longer ones, bar the center here, do go on the edges. These are T5s. All right, and that is everything fully put back together. So that is how you install a brand new LCD on a Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and with the help of the community, we'll be sure to assist you. If you saw any parts or tools you need in the video, check us out at tekdep.com or click the link below for mail-in repairs. We'll see you guys in the next episode.